Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of cedar wood craft art. Known for its beautiful grain, natural aroma, and resistance to decay, cedar is a favorite among woodworkers and artists alike. In this video, we'll explore the unique properties of cedar wood, share inspiring project ideas, and reveal tips on how to transform this versatile material into stunning pieces of art. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, you'll discover the secrets to unlocking your creativity with cedar wood. Let's get started. Here are some creative project ideas using cedar wood. Cedar planters. Build beautiful outdoor or indoor planters. Cedar's natural resistance to moisture makes it ideal for growing plants. Bird houses. Create charming birdhouses to attract various bird species. The scent of cedar can deter pests, making it a great choice for outdoor projects. Garden benches. Construct sturdy and stylish garden benches for outdoor seating. Cedar's durability ensures they last for years. Wooden signs. Design personalized wooden signs for homes, gardens, or businesses. Use wood-burning techniques for added flair. Cutting boards. Craft functional and attractive cutting boards. Cedar's antimicrobial properties make it a safe option for food preparation. Cedar chests. Build decorative chests for storage. Cedar wood naturally repels moths, making it perfect for keeping clothes and linens fresh. Coasters. Create unique coasters by cutting cedar into circles or squares. You can personalize them with engravings or paint. Wall art. Design rustic wall art pieces using various shapes and sizes of cedar wood planks. Furniture. Construct small furniture items like side tables or shelves, showcasing the wood's grain and color. Wooden toys. Make safe and eco-friendly wooden toys for children, such as blocks or puzzles. These projects not only highlight the beauty of cedar wood, but also allow you to create functional items for your home or gifts for others. What are the best finishes to use on cedar wood? Here are some of the best finishes to use on cedar wood. Natural oil finishes. Tung oil provides a durable, water-resistant finish while enhancing the wood's natural beauty. Linseed oil offers a rich finish and penetrates deeply, protecting the wood but may take longer to dry. Varnish. Spar varnish. Ideal for outdoor projects. It provides excellent UV protection and water resistance while allowing the wood to breathe. Polyurethane. Available in oil-based and water-based formulas, it offers a hard, protective finish suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Stain. Oil-based stains enhance the wood grain and provide color while maintaining a natural look. Cedar often takes stains well. Water-based stains dry quickly and have low odor. They are also easier to clean up, though they might not penetrate as deeply as oil-based stains. Wood sealers. Clear sealers help protect against moisture and UV damage without altering the wood's appearance. They can be oil or water-based. Wax. Beeswax or carnauba wax provides a soft sheen and is easy to apply. It's best for indoor projects but may require reapplication over time. Shellac. A natural finish that dries quickly and offers a warm, amber tone. It's not as water-resistant as other finishes, so it's better for indoor use. When choosing a finish, consider the intended use of the item, whether it will be indoors or outdoors, and the desired aesthetic. Always test your chosen finish on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it meets your expectations. What are the pros and cons of using spar varnish? Here are the pros and cons of using spar varnish. Pros. Durability. Spar varnish is highly resistant to water, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor projects. Flexibility. It remains flexible as the wood expands and contracts, preventing cracks or peeling. High gloss finish. Provides a beautiful, glossy finish that enhances the natural beauty of the wood. Easy to apply. generally easy to apply with a brush or spray, and it levels out well, reducing the appearance of brush strokes. Long-lasting protection offers long-lasting protection, which can reduce the need for frequent reapplication. Cons: drying time. Spar varnish can take a long time to dry, especially in humid conditions, which may prolong project completion times. Odor: it often has a strong odor during application and drying, which can be unpleasant and requires good ventilation. Cost: generally more expensive than regular varnishes or finishes, which might be a consideration for larger projects. Application conditions: requires specific temperature and humidity conditions for optimal application, which can limit usability in certain environments. Maintenance: although durable, it may still require maintenance and reapplication every few years, especially in harsh environments. Overall, spar varnish is an excellent choice for protecting and enhancing outdoor wood projects, but it's essential to consider the specific needs and constraints of your project. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cedar woodcraft art. We've explored the unique qualities that make cedar such a special material, from its natural beauty to its durability. Whether you're looking to create beautiful furniture, charming decor, or functional items, cedar wood offers endless possibilities for creativity. We hope you feel inspired to experiment with cedar in your own projects. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more woodworking tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting!